My ISO is at 100. I'm at 1/60 with f6.3 stops. But this is the Crane M2S by Zhiyun. And this is Fernando Candelario. And as you can see, I'm walking regular pace, not a lot of shakes. Hopefully it's not too zoomed into my face, but everything appears to be looking pretty good. I'm in Southlake, Texas right now. Just doing a quick walk in the neighborhood at Southlake Town Center. Let's take a look over here. And I do have the ability to manually move the camera up and down. Harder to set up the shot with the gimbal as opposed to holding it. But I don't have the steady hand like a lot of people do. So I'm gonna spoil myself with the gimbal and the Sony ZV-E10. Now, have you guys been able to use this gimbal? If so, let us know what you think of it. I got a good deal on Amazon. I think I paid $177 for it at Best Buy. That same day it was on sale for $109 or so. So Amazon's definitely killing it on the sale. And I could have got it at Best Buy, but I wanted it right then and there. So I knew that they were going to be able to deliver it that next day. So I bought it through Amazon. Very satisfied with the product and no major issues balancing it, which is it comes in handy with how the instructions were. Pretty relatively easy, especially you can find a lot of YouTube videos with tutorials on it, which helped me out a lot, and I appreciate the content that they've created with this gimbal.
Hope everyone is enjoying this video so far. Please do me a favor and smash that like button if you do, and definitely consider subscribing for more content.
What do you think of the footage of the ZV-E10 on the gimbal? I like it. I like it a lot. And this is me going towards the sun right now, and hopefully it looks decent. I'm doing the Cine 2 profile, picture profile, and that kind of gives it a more cinematic look, and just doing some experimenting with the Sony ZV-E10. But overall, I've enjoyed the Sony ZV-E10 camera. I think the ZV-E10 offers beginners a lot of capabilities that more expensive cameras have that we just can't afford, or we just don't want to invest that much money into an expensive camera, whether it's a Sony, a Panasonic camera, Canon, or a Nikon. They have a lot of expensive cameras out there, over $1,700, you know, most of the time. At least with this camera, you can kind of get started. It's $699 base model price and $799 with the kit lens, which is what I'm running right now. And if you want to invest, you can always upgrade the lens on it and get yourself a gimbal. And most of those features that are already on the more expensive Sony cameras, you can at least be able to use those lenses on this one, as long as it's a ASPC lens, because it's not a full frame camera. Overall, I've been very happy and blessed that I'm able to even be able to use this camera, and I highly recommend it. And I think you should check it out as well.